Eva Trades.
Welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series where I'm focusing on managing risk. Today we'll take a look at the rules and then we'll break down the stocks. So let's go! Day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine and practice it in a simulator like I'm about to do. And let's do it. Thank you for joining me right here at Eva Trades today. I'm a little excited to get going. Just can't wait to start. So let's start. Here we go. So up here's enough with the antics. These are the game book rules. This is also my progress. Let me grab my old spectacles so I can see what I'm talking about. Up over $1,000 the first 4 days in this simulator account. My game book rules are daily max loss is $400. If I'm green and give back half, I'm done. Now I want to change that. I'm gonna say that if I hit my daily goal and then give back half, I'm done. There are exceptions to being green. If I'm up just a little bit, I don't want to stop when I give back half because I'm still trying to get to that daily goal. So I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. And if I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading if I want to, depending on how the market looks. Sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't. And you can see all that if you go to the website and click on risk management is where I keep that. So it is October 31st in the simulator as I press play. We have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. And the first one up here is EFSH, and it looks like EFSH on the 5-minute time frame there. As I put my arm brace on, keep me strong like a bull. 5-minute higher low at 238 and a higher high at 292. So we do have a bit of an uptrend. Keep in mind the high of pre-market is at 306, so looking at the 15-minute time frame right here, I would expect, or I would want the bulls the price to top out somewhere up here around $3, pull back, and then form a higher low, and then break through, or an inside bar at the very least. Because we're so extended here, I would like to see us consolidate for a little bit at least before we try to make that attempt to break through the highs. And we could get into that. One reason for that is because as we approach this level, there are shorts. If you don't know what shorts are, you can Google it. And I'm not talking about the kind you put on your bottom. Those are also a type of shorts, but not this kind. Shorts as in people who are selling the stock, intending to make the stock drop so that they can collect money. There is a whole procedure there. If you're not familiar with shorting, you can look it up on Google. I'm not going to explain it right here, but I guarantee you that there are either shorts getting into trades here with their stop losses above this resistance, or there are people who got in down here that are selling, they were longs, and they're selling up here. So 2 different things that are happening that can push this price back down. I want to see the consolidation. I want to see people taking profit and shorts taking positions, and then bulls stepping in and blasting through, whatever short squeeze we get. There's a reason why that works better than just going straight through. Just think about how you can get extended if you're running for a long period of time. It's better if you stop and take a break before you continue running, because otherwise you'll run out of steam and crash. So we don't want any crashing, not if I'm in a trade. All right, so 5-minute time frame, we have that higher low. We have a period of consolidation, a little higher low there, so bulls would like to hold that at 268. You can see what that looks like on the 1 minute. Downtrend on the 1 minute. Now bulls trying to reverse that downtrend, looking for a higher low and a higher high. So over here on LLAP, what time is it? Oh man, we only have 2 minutes left till the market opens. High, low, lower high. So we have a resistance at 360. I'd say that's, we broke that one there. A little choppy here on the 5-minute time frame. So we actually did not hold up here. We broke this support. Bears looking for a little lower high and a lower low. bulls hoping we see follow through and get up above 360. BBBY, nice move up, consolidation, pretty healthy consolidation at this point. I'd look for anything above 473 to be healthy consolidation. If we pull back much further, I would expect more of an equilibrium than a higher low and higher high, but we want to get above 497, and there goes EFSH. One more stock over here to look at is AMC. Came off the high of day momentum scanner. And AMC with a nice breakout over 687, but did not hold it. Now pulling back. It is still healthy consolidation. We have a pivot point down at 676, which is a pretty good spot for it to bounce from. However, I would rather see it bounce here from the VWAP like it's starting to try to do. We have a double top on the smaller time frame there of 689. Would like to break through that. 1 minute to go till the market opens. High of the move so far up at 698. Pretty good psychological resistance of $7 there. So I'm going to get rid of this line since we've already broken through it and look for the bulls to form a higher low and a higher high. Equilibrium territory here as we have pulled back quite a ways from the high. I wouldn't expect to break straight through, but would like to see a move up. So there we have it. Let's get back over here to the main screen. EFSH doing what it's doing. Might just break straight through. It did consolidate on the 5 minute below that resistance, but I really wanted to see it consolidate on the 15. It's okay if it doesn't. It doesn't mean it's going to go through and just like slam right back down. It could just be strong and keep going. Depends on how many bulls are buying. So the market is open now. And there's that breakthrough. I can't trade it in the first 1 minute. So that candle range is 33 cents. So if I get in it, I want my stop loss to be probably around 30 cents below my entry. 30 seconds to go till I can take a trade. We have AMC, BBBY, and LLAP so far starting out red on the day. Getting close here, 10 more seconds. Can the bulls hold this level? I'm a little apprehensive jumping in it, but I'm thinking about trying it. So I'll jump in with a starter position there. I'm also in on AMC over here. So right now I'm risking $400. I'm in twice on 2 stocks. I missed my opportunity to sell there on ESFH. I'm going to look for another one. Let's see what's happening over there on AMC. I'm going to sell EFSH partial there. AMC, I'm going to go ahead and sell there. Take my profit on EFSH. Actually, kind of a break even on that second part. So I'm up at my daily goal. Made 200 over here. Made 50 over here. AMC got in it on this candle here as it was pulling back to the VWAP and sold up into this area. It was a nice back test of the VWAP. The dotted line is the VWAP. VWAP is volume weighted average price. I still think EFSH has some potential here, so I'll buy a little dip on it right there. My stop is pretty far away, so the potential for me to make a good amount of money on it is slim right there. I'll sell half. I'll sell the other half there. Oops, okay, so here's what happened. Over here on AMC, I took another trade as we were pulling back here to the EMAs and got stopped out. Gave back half of my profit. You know what that means. I'm done for the day. I can't trade anymore. What was that rule? If I'm up, if I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading. If I'm green, and I'm going to change that to if I'm green and at $200 or just at $200 and I give back half, I am done. Those are my rules. I have to follow them. So I was up over $200 and now I am only up What's 83 plus 53? 136. So yeah, gave back half. So that means I could still take a trade. I didn't quite give back half. So I could jump in it like right there, EFSH, and get right back out because I didn't like that. So now I've definitely given back half. So took a loss on that. I was looking for an immediate breakout as that was coming up, and it did not give it to me. So because I didn't give back a full half amount, it was okay to get into that in my book. And I didn't actually lose a full $100 on that trade. So, all right, well, I'm going to finish the day up $89. Made $83.35 over here on AMC. You can see the P&L at the top of your screen. And I made $6.66 over here on EFSH. And yep, that's going to do it. Things are rolling over now. So thank you for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video. If you don't, I think you should really hit that like button or the dislike button twice. Don't just do it once. You got to hit that thing twice if you don't like the video. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Bye. Have a good rest of your day.